Bobby here, co-founder of Equals. Welcome to our guide on building best-in-class spreadsheet analyses. Whether you're new to spreadsheets or refining your skills, we'll be walking through some of the simple but powerful techniques that the pros use, so you can prepare, analyze, and collaborate on your data like an expert. First, let's look at how to structure our workbooks for a successful analyses. The key is to keep all the building blocks of our workbook, our queries, raw data, data inputs, and analyses, in their place. We suggest grouping similar tabs and using color coding so it's easy to make updates and understand how everything comes together, both for your future reference and for your teammates. Now let's start with query tabs. These are our worksheets connected to data sources that pull in raw data to power your analyses. Keeping these tabs dedicated solely to your queries and raw data means you can always refresh that data without disrupting the rest of your analyses. Next up, data input tabs. Here's where you store additional reference information that you want to pull into your analysis. In this case, our global sales data. By keeping these separate from our analyses, it's easy to make changes if we need to add, remove, or update a territory owner down the line. And then here are the analysis tabs. This is where you aggregate your raw data to find patterns and insights. By applying formulas here rather than on the data input or query tabs, you keep your raw data pristine and the process of how you built your analysis transparent, making it easier for others to follow your work and for you to update it without a hassle. Finally, when it comes to sharing out your insights, every Equals workbook comes with the built-in dashboard. By keeping this side by side with your spreadsheet, it's easy to transform your analysis into a shareable format that highlights the key insights in logical order. This is ideal for presenting data to stakeholders who need to grasp the most important information quickly. That's a rundown on setting up your workbook for success. Now you're ready to start building.